guys, this is Radhika. I am glad you're watching this. If you're new here, I create a lot of content related to style, beauty and vlog. If this is something that interests you, do consider to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a video. I'm a social media influencer since last 4 years and I have collaborated with over 100 brands and I've got paid. So in today's video, you know what? I know you guys have read the title. So I have added all the timestamps to all the questions so you can actually skip to the questions you really want to know, but I would suggest sub sun lo, sub important hai. And this is the makeup look I have created. I am not going to mention the process, the products, everything is going to be down in the description because I don't want to cut the flow. And without wasting any further moment, let's just dive into the video. I'm just going to prep my skin and the first question is how to start. Well, first you have to pen down all the subjects or all the ideas, not ideas like subjects, proper niche where you can actually working, and that is something that should come within you. Okay, you cannot fake on social media. So something that comes within you. Like for me, my subjects are fashion, beauty, tuberculosis and skinny shaming. So आपने अगर ये figure out कर लिया कि आपके subjects क्या है, फिर you have to figure it out that which platform you're going to use. Is it going to be YouTube, it's going to be Instagram, it's going to be Snapchat, or you know, other emails or anything like that. So once you know where you're going to post and what you're going to post, you have to figure out your equipments. Now a smartphone is a bare minimum. You also have to figure it out that who is going to click your pictures or who is going to click your video and who's going to edit the pictures and edit the videos for you. When I started, I did it all by myself and I obviously had few friends who helped me out. Right now I do all of it by myself and YouTube is going to be your best friend. Just go on YouTube and type how to click a picture by myself, how to record a video by myself. Everything can be done by yourself. Now another question that is very similar to the first one and I think it's like a continuation is how to create content with bare minimum equipment. And trust me, a bare minimum equipment is literally a smartphone. You can click pictures, you can record a video, you can record sound, you can edit, you can do everything on a phone. Just in case if you're wondering which equipments do I use, I have linked down everything down below in the description. Do check it out, but please don't get overwhelmed. I honestly did not have the money to buy all of this and I started buying it after when I started earning from the platform. So don't feel overwhelmed at all. I have so many accounts who just started with the phone and everything can be done. Just few tips here and there. If you're creating a video, make sure your audio quality is nice. So headphones लगा दो phone को और quality आवाज भी record कर लो. मे बी आप एक मॉम के या डैड के फोन से रिकॉर्ड करना वीडियो और बाजू में आपके फोन से ईयरफोन्स लगा के रिकॉर्ड करना है. लिटरली मैंने भी यही किया है. दिस इज हाउ आई स्टार्टेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज हाउ डू आई डिसाइड माय नीश. Now, as I said, you have to figure out few subject ideas that you think you are very good at and something that comes within you, something that you're knowledgeable about, right? Now for me, my content buckets have always been fashion and beauty because I personally love it so much. It is just within me and over the period I've done so many things like a pageant and so many trainings wherein I've learned and become an authority and I'm able to provide value. So you have to be a little more informed about that subject, or it should be something that you've gone through. Like for me, tuberculosis and body shaming is something that I've been a victim of. So it comes really naturally to me and I love to share my ideas. So these becomes my content buckets. Once you have your content bucket or your niche in place, you can start experimenting. Start posting 2-3 videos of all your niches and see what sort of video or what sort of photo is being liked by your audience. Your audience will sort of help you to decide what really they want to know. And if you really want to be successful, you have to be an amalgamation of something that you really like and something your audience wants also to know. So be in the middle. Just try everything out and then figure out what you really like. Also, do not do the mistake I did. Do not create a bhel. And yeah, this is something that I've done and I've suffered a lot. So I started posting so many things all in together and I started posting wines, I started posting motivational videos, I started doing fitness and मैंने ना मेरे पूरे account की bhel बना दी. And I'll tell you why it's not really nice. So say by someone started following me because I started posting about fitness. Someone is really interested in fitness and that person or those set of people started following me and they're really enjoying, and after 2-3 videos or 2-3 posts I started posting about beauty. Now I might entertain some people who like beauty and they start following me, but people who are already following me for fitness would be like, यार ये क्या कर रही है, हमें तो fitness content चाहिए. So they might not follow or unfollow me, but they would stop engaging with my content. And if you know how Instagram algorithm works, it's more like, okay, राधिका ने एक वीडियो डाला है but इसकी existing ऑडियंस उस पर लाइक कॉमेंट करनी है, मतलब ये अच्छी चीज़ नहीं है और वो आधे लोगों को दिखाएंगे ही नहीं. So this is how Instagram algorithm works. Even it's same with YouTube, like sort of similar to YouTube. So it's very important that you first figure out in like 2 months what's your niche and then stick to it and be bang on with it. Next question is how to increase your engagement, and trust me, I have amazing tips and tricks here which I've tried by myself and they have worked, so I'm here to tell you. Also, before that, I would want to help you guys to reach a lot of people, so I would love to give you a shout out. Do check the description box below to know the rules, and I hope you participate and we can grow mutually. Now, talking about the engagement, one way to increase engagement is to give your audience a chance to communicate with you. And how are you going to do that? One of the best way is asking them on Instagram stories. There are a lot of stickers that Instagram has, say by the poll sticker, the question sticker, the question answer sticker. There's so many places where you can allow your audience to get back to you, and which is very important. You should do that. I often make sure that I start my day with an interactive story, and also on my feed post I always keep asking my audience if they liked A outfit or B outfit. I give these sort of options to them wherein they can comment. Also I ask when I'm doing like a video where I like 3-4 outfit ideas, I always ask them which do they like. So it's important for you to start the conversation. It's you who have to actually ask कि यार ये अच्छा लगा क्या, इसमें से कौन सा अच्छा लगा, इन दोनों में क्या है जो अच्छा लगा. So once you do that, you will see that engagement is happening. Another way to increase your engagement is to comment on other people's profile before and after posting a post. And trust me, this is something that I have tried. पहले मुझे भी believe नहीं हुआ, but actually it works. It sort of first is like a bartered thing. Like मैं तुम्हारे फोटो पे comment करूँ, that's very fair, right? Like you expect people to comment and support you, and obviously people are gonna expect the same from you. Also on Instagram, every format has a different life shelf. Say by reel, you can go into Instagram and check that reels are being seen by a lot of people who are not actually following you, and this is how Instagram works. It actually pushes reels to people who do not follow you so that they can explore you. But formats like feed, stories and live are made to entertain your existing followers. यार एक मिनट, मुझे बात नहीं करनी है. So it's very important that you take care of all the formats, entertain people who are existingly following you, because वही लोग हैं जो आपके साथ engage करने वाले हैं. Next question is how to maintain a feed. Now I think this is not really very tricky, and I also feel this is absolutely unnecessary. हाँ, maybe when Instagram started it was very, I want an aesthetic feed and I want this beautiful looking feed. यार मैं भी ऐसी थी, but right now there are so many accounts who do not have aesthetically looking beautiful feed, but all their single content pieces are so powerful that they really don't need it to be very cohesive. But just in case if that is something that you really look for, having a persistent editing style will obviously help you out. Maybe having a preset on Lightroom or having a specific filter for your video is going to help. Make sure you also have different type of angles in your feed. Like I've seen a lot of people who only put selfies, तो उनके सारे feed में सिर्फ वो है सेंटर में. ऐसे ही नहीं होना चाहिए, अलग अलग होने चाहिए. कोई आउटडोर्स होने चाहिए, कोई इंडोर्स होने चाहिए, कोई आपके फ्रेंड फैमिली के साथ एज इन 2-3 लोग होने चाहिए, कोई सिंगल होना चाहिए, कोई खड़े रह के होना चाहिए, कोई नीचे बैठ के होना चाहिए. So there should be different variation, and again when you have a similar sort of editing style, वो सारा cohesively आ जाएगा. Also there are many apps wherein you can see how your feed is going to look like. I have personally used Planner, which is the free app. Like they also have the paid one, but the free one is pretty good, so you can definitely check that out. Another mistake that I keep seeing, that a lot of people do not take care of their cover photos. Like a lot of people do not have cover photos to their reel, Instagram lives or IGTV, and it actually makes your feed look bad. So if you really want to maintain your feed, प्लान कि यार मैं अगर ये रील करने वाली हूँ, मैंने इस आउटफिट के साथ ये रील किया, तो मैं रुक के एक फोटो भी निकालूँ, वो अच्छे से एडिट करके वो डाल दूँ. सो इट विल जस्ट मेक इट लुक मोर कोहेसिव. नाउ आई ऑनेस्टली कांट डू माय मस्कारा, आईलाइनर एंड ब्राउज ऑन कैमरा, नहीं तो वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी. सो आई विल क्विकली डू इट एंड आई विल बी बैक. And the star question, how to earn. Primarily, influencer earns through brand collaborations. Collaboration is basically a trade between you and the brand. Well, brands get in touch with you and they will either give a product or service in terms of promotion. Now, these deals can be either barter or can be paid. In barter, they only give you the product or the service, and in return you are doing the promotion for them in form of posts, stories or whatever the deliverables are. And in terms of paid, you are getting paid. plus their product and service. Sometimes you have to give the product back if it's very expensive, and you do the promotion. Usually influencers get an email of the collaboration, like people who have established will always get email, and it's very important to reciprocate in a very professional manner. Down in the description I have put a draft which you can copy, customize and paste, and you would look extremely professional and can get paid. So definitely check that out. But I definitely understand that a lot of people are just starting out now and they're not that established कि उनको सामने से collaborations है. So you can definitely go to brands Instagram, or you can email them telling them about you and asking them for collaboration. If you are a very small influencer or a content creator, do not go for enormous brands like Nykaa or MAC or Lakme. They're not gonna get along with you. Go ahead with small businesses or like small to medium businesses. There are a lot of influencer marketing platforms like Plixo, where you can go and register yourself. You can put all your details and they will get collaborations for you, and they are really good with nano influencers and micro influencers. Check out the description, I have given all the platforms. Just go there, register. Trust me, जब मैंने start किया था इन सारे platforms ने मुझे बहुत help की, so you can definitely check them out. And this is how we come to the end of this video. I hope this video have provided a lot of information to you all. If there is something that you really want me to tell you in depth, let me know in the comment section, and I would love to create another video for you all. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. It means the world to me. It makes me feel so good when I see your comments or your likes, and so thank you so much, and until then, I love you.